As an ecstatic dance DJ, you have a lot of sound effects to choose from. Some are for helping you with transitions, others are to just add a bit of flair. Let's have a look at some of these sound effects that we think work great for ecstatic dance DJs. Hi, my name is Jonathan and I'm an aspiring ecstatic dance DJ. I've teamed up with seasoned ecstatic dance DJ Divana to teach the ins and outs of ecstatic dance. First, let's have a look at the delay effect and how you can use it.
In this mix, we want to go from a climax stage track to an activation stage track. So we're going to do a revisit. Now I'm going to show you a technique how to do this. I've jumped to the mix out point of Umkulo. Let's just have a listen to how this last part of the song is going. As you can hear, the song stops very abruptly. It doesn't have a nice outro to mix it out with. So we're gonna artificially create this outro by using an effect. When we look at our mixer, we see that below our equalizer, there is two knobs. These are the mixer effect knobs. They can add a sound effect on top of the music of that channel. We have here 4 buttons to choose 4 different effects. For now, we're gonna turn on number 2. That is the dual delay mixer effect of Traktor. Now, when we move this dial forward and backward, it will apply this effect to the song that we're playing. Let's listen to how the outro of Umkulo sounds with the effect engaged. I turn on the effect and I start opening the effect dial. As you saw, I started opening the effect dial, and then the more we were towards the end of the song, the further I opened it, and in the end I left it open for a bit to play. And you heard that it was creating an echo, as if you're standing in between mountains and you're screaming, hey, 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 hey.
So as you can see, the delay effect is an awesome effect that can help you with transitions. Let's now have a look at the reverb effect, which sort of does the same.
So again, I'm going to play the track, I'm going to turn on the reverb, and then I'm going to open the dial. And after the song has reached the end, I'm going to play our next song. So, playing the song, turning on the effect button, and don't forget to turn it off again.
Alright, so these effects help you with transitions. Now look at some effects that you can have fun with to add a bit of flair to your ecstatic dance set.
I'm gonna give a little demo of some effects in Traktor, and I'm gonna just show you what they sound like and how you can play around with them. But remember, when you're mixing live, less is more. Don't overuse them, but surely have fun with them and play around.
Less is more.
No, it's not.
Let this be an inspiration so you can have fun with it yourself. Let me see. Let's start off with a bit of flanger. Now we're gonna do the timer gator. And now the dotted delay. Now we're mixing them up. I like to do the flanger a little bit in, a little bit out. Times gator chops up the music. And that's some example of effects. So you might have noticed that I was doing a lot of the things while using my body as a metronome, counting along intuitively to the beat. That's the nice thing. When you're using effects, you're playing it as an instrument, so you layer it upon your knowledge of bars, beats, and phrases.
If you enjoyed this video, you're gonna love our Ecstatic Dance DJ beginner course. We guide everyone from knowing nothing about DJing to being able to perform a live ecstatic dance set. If that resonates with you, then I invite you to check the link in the description below. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.